What if the talent that could change your life is already inside of you, just lying dormant? This rune formula will help you discover your talents. In the end of the video I will show you how to use it. The runes are Kenas, Manas. Rune Kenas is the rune of the fire, rune of passion, and also the rune of a torch, meaning that the tamed fire element is used as a tool to highlight the dark areas of the mind, of the soul, of the psyche, to discover what lies hidden there. And the rune Manas is the rune of the social nature, rune of the intellect, rune of mind, also rune of talents and rune of intellectual abilities. So together these two energies will be working towards discovering talents and discovering those areas of your being, those are naturally occurring in your soul, and helping you to manifest the success that is dormant in these areas. An appropriate incantation could sound like this: by the power of these runes, my hidden talents will be discovered, developed, and bringing me success. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in the description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.